Hello, so we all want to use Excel to the fullest, but we do not know where to get a lot of items from. So here is a simple tip. Go to File, then Options, then Customize Ribbon, and select Commands not in the ribbon. So you would see a lot of commands which are not available in actual ribbon. In order to incorporate these to the main tab, create a new tab. You may rename it to Excel. Then there is a group and rename it My List. Press OK, and now you can pick and choose items from here to the list. For example, I can pick calculator, I can pick calculator full, I can pick camera, I can pick convert to freeform, I can pick pixel by columns, start linking. So there are a lot of items available which are not in actual ribbon list. You can pick and choose and create your own list for ease of use. Thank you.